I created a new project. It contains only one Lightning Web component with the name animals. We have to put something in the unlock package. I made this component available for Lightning App page and Home page. This component has access to animals with Aura class, which has two methods, getCalloutResult and postCalloutResult. I use wire to connect getCalloutResult and call postCalloutResult method imperatively on button click event. The HTML page has button, spinner, and two for each loops to show results. Animals with Aura class has two methods to access service layer class, which in its turn makes get and post callouts to the Heroku backend. Service layer has a test class which uses two HTTP callout mocks. Very simple stuff, take a look. So, service layer class methods send back two HTTP responses, and animal with Aura class methods deserialize them and send two lists of animals to the Lightning Web component. And it has a test class too. Also, the project has three YAML workflow files to use in GitHub Actions. GitHub repo will have three branches: Master, Stage 1 and Stage 2. Master branch is a default branch. It has a promoted version of the unlocked package to send to the production org. Stage 2 is kind of gasket that allows the user to test the code in a dev hub. Stage 1 is the branch where all changes are made. So the first workflow reacts on pull request to Stage 2 branch from Stage 1 branch. It installs Salesforce CLI, JQ-JSON parser, and authenticates the CLI with dev-hub.org using SFDX URL. The SFDX URL can be used to authenticate to the Salesforce CLI without needing any JWT token or using a browser to key in the credentials. Care should be taken to either store this SFDX auth URL in the environment variable that cannot be easily reached, or to use an OpenSSL to encrypt it. Store the value for SFDX auth URL as a secret in your repository. Then the workflow creates a new scratch org and pushes the unlock package in it to run tests. If tests are OK, it deletes scratch org. The Stage 1 branch is considered validated after that. Second workflow reacts on merge from Stage 1 branch to Stage 2 branch. Every time new changes are merged into the Stage 2 branch, the new package version is created. This version cannot be installed in a production org because it is not promoted yet. The version then deployed to the dev hub where it can be tested. The version ID is stored in the repository within the content of the SFDX project JSON file. Third workflow reacts on merge from stage 2 branch to the master branch. New unlocked package version is promoted in this case. The package version that gets promoted is the latest one stored in the sfdx project JSON file. After that, a new Git tag is generated. So let's authorize the dev hub. I added external Heroku service URL to the remote site settings under the name animals. Now we can use callouts to Heroku. Git init, let's add newly created test repo to the project. Check it out. Now let's create unlock package with the name test package for the given user. Package alias is added in sfdx package JSON file. Git status to display the state of the working directory in the staging area. Git add with period. Git commit with the message explaining this commit. And push to the master branch. Refresh the repo. Add stage 2 branch from the master. Under Settings Secret Actions, add the repository secret with the name auth_URL. Value is the sfdx auth URL obtained using sfdx force org display command. Click Add Secret. To begin a new release cycle, the package version number has to be incremented, assuming we change something in the code too. Let's push the package with the new version to the repo and add it to the new branch with the name stage 1. Reload the page. We have 3 branches now. If we look at the installed packages in the connected Dev Hub, we obviously do not see the test package yet. So it's time to new pull request from newly created stage 1 to stage 2, which we created from the master branch before. First pull to stage 2. Now the fun part, watch the process. Done. This means that scratch org has been created, the test has passed successfully, and scratch org has been removed in accordance with the workflow. OK. Let's merge and monitor the process. Create new version takes some time. Install new version to Dev Hub. Done. Nice. Reload the page with installed packages in Dev Hub. test package with a new version is installed. Let's add the Lightning Web component from the unlock package to the sales home page. Component name is animals. Save. Animals received with GET request using where are already there. Click the button. Here is the result from post request to the external service. All works fine, so it's time to promote the package version. For that we make a pull request from stage 2 branch to master branch and merge it. First pull to master. Merge. Check the process. Done. SFDX package JSON file now has a new version in aliases for master branch and stage 2 branch. Stage 1 branch obviously does not have new version. And tag for master branch also exists as expected. Let's pull the code from master branch to get new version locally. To start the new release cycle, just increment the version's number. That's it.